Today we are making apple pie, and this chef will show how to make it.
And this is me.
This is me. I will record that show and keep it in the TV.
First,
take two apples
and peel them
and
cut into cubes.
Yep.
Pause.
Like this, cut out. Just like how you cut the one orange. Cut this apple. Do not cut with big pieces, just small pieces.
Pause it.
Tiny bits of apple cut out.
Pause.
Now cut some
Almonds.
almonds like this. Now we have two ingredients: small bits of apple and almonds.
Take a
pan.
We have to now mix apple pieces, cubes with almonds and some sugar and cook well.
If it is not neat, if it is still soft, you can cut out and make some decorations out of it. Okay?
I have switched on the pan.
Now pour. Now this chef will start over. Okay?
I am putting some ghee.
Okay, then next what you will wear? Pour. Which you will pour now, chef lady. We are back in this. We are back. Now let's see.
The apple pieces have softened.
Now let's see.
The apple pieces have softened. You can see I am able to cut them with a spoon.
Now let's see the
So I'll switch the stove off and let it cool
down. Now let's see the dough, how it is. Now, is it 10 minutes?
Yes.
Now what we have to do with this soft dough? I'll show you something with this dough. It is very soft. Okay, it's not hard like metal and strong cardboard. Okay.
Now I'll make two parts of this dough, one for the top and one for the bottom of the apple pie. Okay. And then let us roll. Okay?
Yeah, roll. How we have to roll? With the two pieces, we have to keep side by side and roll.
Yes.
I mean, you keep one here and here, then you roll it, then it will come one only.
Yes, first one round we will make a roll out of it.
Now what?
Let us roll first.
Yeah, roll, but now which decoration shall we make with the messy parts of the apple pie?
Let's see.
You can make any, but lovely ones, okay? Once check hey the giddy
Okay.
see the the sharing badge you can see, okay, how we can make, okay.
Now this is the bowl in which I am making
The apple pie.
I'll grease it first with ghee.
Ghee. You can use oil, right?
Yes. Or butter or cheese.
Okay, then you can but on hay the ghee it will be little bit different, okay.
Okay. See, the dough is here.
Here is the top part of us, right? White apple pies. Here is down.
This is the first one. And I am rolling the top of the pie.
Okay. We after that do some cutting. This woman will show how we have to cut. Now I am a little bit tired. That's why the chef will do some cutting, like strips you have to cut. Look at these amazing strips of
The dough.
dough. Now it will be just like ribbons, but in white color. Just like white ribbons. But eating, we have to eat those, not right now. Okay? Now,
I am taking the apple pie pieces
yeah.
and I'll put it in this bowl where we have the first dough.
Okay.
Right? Everything is in it.
Now we have to wear the keep the strips, or we have to wear some salt.
No need of salt. Now,
this show is without oven, eggs, and no fish, and
apple pie does not contain fish or any meat. It's just sweet apples.
yeah, but some apple pies will be like that also, right?
Now I'm putting the strips.
Yeah, this show with it don't have eggs, ovens, and no fish add. no. No salt. This is just, we need just these ingredients, okay?
Now the lines are made. Now the other side. We'll take one alternative ones out.
Like that only you have to do. But always say, always you can make any shapes,
Right.
right? But not just lines. Okay? Now, what we have to do?
Now some more lines.
Add some more lines. Now we have only 2 lines left. Okay? Now what we have to do now? Keep all of it and again the bake.
Yes.
Yeah, but how? We can't bake this so, right?
Let's wait and see. First, let me finish this.
Yeah, we have only, now we have just 0 strips now. We can see still we need some more strips, right?
That's it. This is the first time we are baking apple pie, so whatever I could make it.
That's why, do you make apple pie? Apple pie?
So this is the one. Now we have to bake it.
Now what we have to do?
Now we have to bake it. Now in a pan, I have taken some sand.
Sand? Eating sand?
No, it is normal sand that we get outside. It will retain heat for long time. So that it helps in cooking the pie.
Oh, but
Okay, now-
we don't like those sand.
No, we won't eat that sand. So now what we'll do is we will even out the sand, make sure it is like in the same level, and then put a stand on it.
Yeah, stand. We will keep this video. I mean, video, video in TV, YouTube TVs only.
Now let us switch on the gas.
Now look at this. Do you have an oven? Then you can use an oven.
I don't have oven.
We have only stove. If you have oven, you can do it.
On the oven, right. Now I have put the bowl on the stand in the soil that is in the pan.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
I'll put the lid on.
and wait for a little bit. Take out this part of the lid.
And I'm not putting the whistle also.
But why? We have to know, right?
Right. I'll keep it in the medium for some time.
Wait a little seconds, but when we have to, how many seconds?
We have to wait for at least 15-20 minutes.
Okay, now
We'll wait for the apple pie to cook. Because it is too hot, we have washed our faces after putting the apple pie to bake.
yeah, But if it is too hot, if you get sweat, hotness, you wash your head and sit down front of a fan.
Under the fan.
Under the fan, not up of the fan.
On the fan.
On the fan. You want to get any fresh air, only down it will come.
Is it so?
Yeah. How you can sit up there? You have to dig in the wall and go. Okay, I'll tell more jokes. How you go to the fan? You have to dig in the wall and go up there. How a bulldozer can fit in the house? You have to click one small button and it will come small, and you have to dig inside the wall and go. How it can fly is if it has a button with a flying picture, then we can fly up there and go to the fan. Or the AC, if you on it, we will come through it. How is it impossible? Now, how it is impossible? Tell my friends. See that? Pie. Let's see.
So, your wait is finally over.
Yeah.
Now is the time to see the pie.
Yeah. Now let's see. But it will be very hot.
So be careful.
Be careful. It will be just like fire. Then you have to call the fireman and let's see how it is.
Okay, it is 99% done. So what I'll do is, I'll close it. Because the sand is too hot, I'll switch the stove off. And
Once I will see the sand 1 second. I will look the sand. You also look. Whoa, they came really hot and brownish. Now I am.
So what we'll do is, we have switched off the stove because the sand is too hot. It will let the apple pie cook for some more time, and then
Read that spelling. Do not place.
then we'll open and have some pie.
Then your pie is ready. Now you can eat. We will come